Hello friends, a very good evening to you all. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue discussing the GK facts. So the first one is, according to a recent report, two doses of the COVID-19 vaccine are effective in what percentage? And it is effective in 97.5 percentage of mortality. Next one. Recently, Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh has been appointed as the governor of which state? And the state is Uttarakhand. Next one. Which is the first state to implement cyber security in the power sector? And the state is Madhya Pradesh. Next one. Which country has decided to completely digitize the land management system? And the country is Bangladesh. Next one. India's first emergency landing facility has been inaugurated on the national highway of which state? And the state is Rajasthan. Next one. When is the World Suicide Prevention Day celebrated? And it is celebrated on 10th September. Next one. Recently, who has been appointed by Tata AIA Life as its brand ambassador? And he is Neeraj Chopra. Next one. Which country has recently divided to legalize the cultivation of cannabis and in the small scale? And the country is Italy. Next one. Which country has launched the Earth observation satellite Gaofen 502? And the country is China. Next one. Where has the world's largest carbon dioxide capturing plant started? And it has been started in the country of Iceland. Next one. Recently, the CM of which state has inaugurated the organic outlets in Pune and Bangalore? And he is the CM of Manipur. Next one. Who has been appointed as Lok Ayukta Haryana in the month of September 2021? And he is Justice Haripal Verma. Next one. Which country has become first country to make Bitcoin a national currency? And it is El Salvador. Next one. Where has India's first biobrick based building started recently? And it is IIT Hyderabad. Next one. Who has been appointed as its brand ambassador by Equitas Bank? And they are Ranveer Rampal plus Samriti Mandhana. Next one. When is the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies? And it is 7th September. Next one. Which has become the first Asian country to launch a plastic pact? And it is India. Next one. Who has authorized the book A Rude Life, the Memoir? And he is Veer Sanghvi. Next one. Which country topped the recently concluded Tokyo Paralympics 2020? And it was China. Next one. Recently joint military exercise Surya Kiran will be organized between India and which country? And the country is Nepal. Next one. When is the International Day of Charity celebrated? And it is celebrated on 5th September. Next one. Which bank has tied up with Bharat Pay to expand its merchant acquisition business? And the bank is Axis Bank. Next one. Which state government has launched Be the Warrior campaign? And the state is Kerala. Next one. Which state government has launched Atmanirbhar Krishi Yojana? And it is Arunachal Pradesh. Next one. Recently, LIC has bought 4% stake in which bank? And it is the Bank of India. Next. Who has recently become the first Asian celebrity with 150 million followers on Instagram? And he is Virat Kohli. Next, which High Court has asked the centre to declare cow as the national animal? And the High Court is Allahabad High Court. Thank you friends for watching this video.